Hello and welcome to Welcome English.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here today.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Jill.
Today we have a very, very important topic. It's for anyone who wants a job where you talk to people.
That's right, Jack. Today we are talking about English for customer service jobs.
This is super useful if you are new to an English-speaking country or if you are looking for your first job.
Exactly. Many first jobs are in customer service, like in a store, a coffee shop, or a restaurant.
And speaking good, clear English can help you feel more confident and do a great job.
So today we will teach you some very easy and useful phrases. We promise to make it fun and simple. Ready, Jack?
I'm ready. Let's get started. Okay, Jill, so let's start with a simple question. What is customer service?
That's a great question. In simple words, customer service is all about helping people.
Helping people. I like that.
Yeah. When you work in a store, the people who come to buy things are called customers. Your job is to serve them or help them. That is customer service.
Right. So if a customer has a question, you answer it. If they need help finding something, you help them find it.
Exactly. It's all about being friendly and helpful.
What are some common customer service jobs? Can you think of some examples?
Of course, working in a clothing store is a customer service job. You help people find clothes they like.
And what about in a restaurant?
In a restaurant, the waiter or waitress provides customer service. They take your order, bring you food, and make sure you have a good time.
That makes sense. And at a hotel, the person at the front desk helps you check in. That's also customer service.
It is. Any job where you help customers is a customer service job. The goal is to make the customer happy.
And that's because happy customers are good for business.
Totally. Plus, it feels good to help someone, doesn't it?
It really does. So being polite and using the right words is very, very important.
Yes, and that's what we are going to learn next, some essential or very important phrases.
All right, let's learn some key phrases. These are the words you will use every day in a customer service job. Jill, do you want to start with the first one?
I'd love to. Our first phrase is a greeting. When a customer walks in, you can say, "Hello, how can I help you?"
Right. Hello, how can I help you? This is friendly and direct. It tells the customer you are ready to help them.
Another very simple greeting is just welcome. You can say this with a big smile when someone enters your store or restaurant.
Welcome. Simple and warm. I like it. Now, what if you see someone looking around? Maybe they look a little lost.
Good question. Then you can use the phrase, "Can I help you find something?"
Can I help you find something? That's perfect. It's a great way to start a conversation and offer help.
Okay, our next one. Sometimes a customer asks a question and you need a little time to find the answer. You can say, "One moment, please."
1 moment, please. That is much more polite than just being silent while you look for something.
And after they wait for you, it is very nice to say, "Thank you for your patience."
Thank you for your patience. That is so polite. I would be very happy if someone said that to me.
It is. Now, what if there's a problem? Maybe you don't have an item the customer wants. You should always apologize. You can say, "I'm sorry about that."
I'm sorry about that. This shows you understand and you care, even if it's not your fault.
Exactly. And if you need to go look for some information, you can tell the customer, "Let me check."
Let me check. For example, a customer asks, "Do you have this in blue?" You can say, "I'm not sure. Let me check."
Perfect example, Jack. Now, when you have helped the customer, you should ask one more question before they go. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Is there anything else I can help you with? This is a great way to finish the conversation and make sure they are completely happy.
Right. And for saying goodbye, we have two great phrases. The first is, "Have a great day."
Simple and friendly. Everyone likes to hear that. Have a great day.
And our very last one is, "Thank you for coming."
Thank you for coming. Or you can say, "Thank you for shopping with us." It makes the customer feel appreciated.
Those are our 10 phrases. We will practice them more later in the show.
Okay, now for my favorite part, role play time.
Yay! This is where we pretend we are in a real situation. It is great practice for you at home.
Okay, today I will be the employee in a clothing store.
Okay, and I will be the customer. I'm looking for a t-shirt. Ready, Jack?
Ready? Let's start. Welcome. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a simple, plain blue t-shirt.
A blue t-shirt. Great choice. We have them right over here. What size are you looking for?
I think I need a medium, please.
Okay, let me check for a medium for you. It looks like we only have small and large in this style right now.
Oh, really? No mediums?
I'm sorry about that. We sold the last one this morning, but we do have a very similar style over here that comes in medium. Would you like to see it?
Oh, yes, please.
One moment, please. I'll get it for you. Here we are. What do you think of this one?
Oh, this is nice too. I like it. I'll take it.
Wonderful. I can take that to the cash register for you. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all for me. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you for coming. Have a great day.
You too. And that's our role play. See how Jack used many of the phrases we learned?
I tried my best. See, it's not so scary. Practice makes perfect.
Okay, everyone. Now it is your turn to speak. This is very important for learning.
That's right. I will say a phrase slowly. After I speak, there will be a pause. And in that pause, please repeat the phrase out loud.
Don't be shy. Say it loud. Ready? Let's begin.
Number 1. Hello. How can I help you? Number 2. Can I help you find something? Number 3. One moment, please. Number 4. Thank you for your patience. Number 5. I'm sorry about that. Number 6. Let me check. Number 7. Is there anything else I can help you with? Number 8. Have a great day. Number 9. Thank you for coming. And number 10, welcome.
Great job, everyone. Practice these phrases every day. You will sound like a pro.
We are almost at the end of our show. Let's do a very quick review of the most important phrases.
Good idea. Remember, to greet a customer, you can say,
Hello, how can I help you? Or, welcome.
when you need some time, you say,
One moment, please.
and if there's a problem, remember to say,
I'm sorry about that.
and when the customer leaves, say,
Have a great day. Or, thank you for coming.
perfect. You all did an amazing job today.
You really did. Thank you for listening to Welcome English. We hope this episode helps you feel more confident speaking English at work.
Join us next time for another fun lesson. Until then, keep practicing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.